Watch as I demonstrate just how powerful the Adventure King's portable gas hot water system is by demonstrating it heating up this icy cold water directly from a high country river. So the included water pump that comes with a portable gas hot water system is powerful enough to draw water from just about any source. But this is a beautiful, crystal clear high country stream, and we don't want to risk polluting it by having a shower too close to the stream. So what I'm going to do, fill up the King's 10-litre collapsible bucket, and we'll use that as our water source. Oh, now that is icy, 2.2 degrees. Let's go warm it up. The King's portable gas hot water system can heat water up to an average of 25 degrees hotter than the source. So what I'm going to do here, and a trick that you can use if you've got really cold source water, is recirculate the water for a couple of minutes before you have your shower. So what we're going to do is the water inlet hose we're going to put into the bucket and just let it sit there. And then we're going to turn the hose on and just let it pump the water back into the bucket. It's going to circulate right throughout the system, take a couple of minutes, but eventually this icy cold water is going to get steaming hot. By recirculating the water back into this bucket for a couple of minutes, watch as I raise the source water temperature up 25 degrees. That's plenty hot enough, especially considering the inbuilt safety switch cuts off to prevent the water from getting scalding hot. But in reality, even on a cold day like this, you probably don't want much more than about 42 degrees for a steaming hot shower. To prove my point, however, I'm going to keep recirculating this water for a moment to show you how hot it can get. Whew, 40 degrees. Perfect temperature for a quick shower, or what I'm going to do right now, the dishes.